Happening right now, FDA advisors are meeting to discuss the future of COVID vaccination in the U.S. Currently, there's a series of primary shots and then the boosters.
But with all of the variants, leaders are now discussing if the shot should be treated like the flu vaccine. News 6's Carolina Cardona joins us live in the newsroom with what she's learning.
Julie, the FDA says we're at a point in the pandemic where it's time to reevaluate the country's approach to COVID-19 vaccines. Currently, the U.S. offers two types of COVID-19 vaccines, a primary series of shots followed by booster shots. However, a stream of variants has challenged the system. Right now, the panel is discussing on whether to harmonize the vaccine strain composition of primary series and booster doses and simplify the vaccine to a single composition.
The virus continues to evolve rapidly, and revaccination with an updated vaccine has been shown to restore protective immunity.
During a virtual meeting, the Food and Drug Administration asked an expert panel to consider adopting a more routine approach of the COVID-19 vaccine. Basically, how often should people be boosted and what those boosters should look like. The committee also considered simplifying the composition of vaccines.
Going forward, FDA envisions an evidence-driven approach, similar in many ways to the process used for influenza vaccines, to monitor and update as needed the composition used in all COVID-19 vaccines, with the goal to induce or restore protective immunity through these periodic vaccination campaigns.
Before now, the effort has been to get the primary series into as many people in the U.S. as possible and to follow up with booster vaccinations.
The various Omicron sublineages have been over 99% predominant for many months now.
The CDC reports 81% of the country has had at least one dose, and just under 70% has had the two doses that make up a primary series since the COVID-19 vaccine was approved in the summer of 2021.
As of January 18th, there have been almost 101.9 million COVID cases reported in the U.S. and almost 1.1 million reported COVID-19 associated deaths.
And so now this virtual meeting is still ongoing. Any recommendations made by the committee will have to be approved by the FDA commissioner and then considered by an advisory committee to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and its director. Live in the newsroom, Carolina Cardona getting results. Back to you, Julie.